The making of a bonsai tree involves the main 4 steps: plant preparation, planting, training and shaping and pruning. First remove all the dead branches and leaves. Then take out the plant from the pot. Remove soil from the roots carefully. Cut the excess roots. You can remove about 1/3 of the roots. Take a shallow pot with several drainage holes at the bottom. Put some bonsai soil and put the plant in the pot. Insert 1 or 2 wires from the holes and secure plant in the pot. Add more soil. Place the pot in sun and water daily.